Welcome back to Color Vistas. If you've ever struggled to get the exact colors you want in your sublimation prints, you're not alone. Achieving accurate colors can be tricky, but that's where a sublimation color chart comes to the rescue. In today's video, I'll explain what a sublimation color chart is, why it's essential for your projects, and how to use it to achieve perfect color accuracy every time. Let's get started. A sublimation color chart is a tool used to ensure that the colors in your sublimation designs look exactly as you intended when printed and transferred onto a substrate. It's essentially a printed guide of all the colors your printer can produce using sublimation ink. By using this chart, you can preview how colors will appear on your final product, helping you make adjustments to your designs for greater accuracy. When working with sublimation, it's important to remember that colors displayed on your screen don't always match the printed results. This discrepancy is caused by differences between the RGB color model used in digital screens and the CMYK or printer-specific color model used in sublimation printing. A color that looks vibrant on your computer might appear dull or entirely different when printed. This is where the sublimation color chart becomes invaluable. Creating a sublimation color chart is the first step to mastering color accuracy. Start by downloading a color chart template designed for sublimation printers. Many manufacturers or sublimation communities provide free templates that include a wide range of color swatches. Once you have your template, print it using your sublimation printer onto sublimation paper. Make sure to use the exact printer settings you would for a normal sublimation project, such as high resolution and the correct paper type. After printing the chart, transfer it onto the substrate you'll be working with. For example, if you're creating custom t-shirts, transfer the color chart onto a polyester fabric. If you're working with mugs or coasters, use a polymer-coated blank. This step is critical because sublimation colors interact with the substrate's material and color. The same shade of red might look different on a white t-shirt compared to a ceramic mug. Once the color chart is transferred, you now have a physical reference of how each color will appear on your specific substrate. This chart becomes your go-to tool for matching colors in your designs. When creating new artwork, simply refer to the chart and pick the colors that best match your vision. Adjust the colors in your design software if needed to ensure a closer match. Using a sublimation color chart not only improves color accuracy, but also saves time and materials. Without a chart, you might have to print and transfer multiple test designs to get the colors right, wasting ink, paper, and substrates in the process. With a color chart, you can achieve your desired results on the first try. Another important aspect of working with a sublimation color chart is printer and ink consistency. If you change your sublimation ink brand or printer settings, you'll need to create a new chart. Even minor variations in ink formulations or settings can affect the colors, so keeping your equipment and supplies consistent is key to maintaining accuracy. For those who want to take their color management to the next level, consider using ICC, International Color Consortium, profiles. ICC profiles are customized settings that help your printer interpret color information more accurately. Many sublimation ink brands provide ICC profiles that are specific to their inks and printers. When combined with a sublimation color chart, ICC profiles ensure even greater precision in your prints. Let's not forget about caring for your color chart. Store it in a safe, clean place to protect it from fading or damage over time. If you're using a fabric-based chart, avoid washing it, as this can alter the colors. For hard substrates like ceramic or metal, keep the chart away from harsh chemicals or direct sunlight to maintain its accuracy. Sublimation color charts are particularly useful for businesses or creators who need consistent branding. Imagine designing a logo for a client and ensuring the colors match their brand identity perfectly. By using a color chart, you can confidently deliver high-quality, accurate results that impress your clients and customers. Beyond business use, color charts are a fantastic tool for crafters and hobbyists. Whether you're making custom t-shirts, mugs, or home decor, a color chart helps you bring your creative vision to life with precision. It's a simple yet powerful way to elevate your sublimation projects and avoid the frustration of mismatched colors. And that's everything you need to know about sublimation color charts. This essential tool ensures that your designs come to life exactly as you envisioned, saving you time, materials, and frustration. Whether you're a business owner or a hobbyist, mastering color charts will take your sublimation projects to the next level. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation tools and supplies where applicable. Visit my website for more tips, guides, and creative ideas. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite sublimation tips in the comments. See you in the next video.